Alright, so for my algebra project, I made an airsoft machine gun. It's made out of a water bottle with a plastic tube on the inside that makes the barrel, hooked up to an air compressor, creates pressure inside of the water bottle, and then shoots the airsoft pellets out. So, here's a demonstration. There you go. Okay, so for the first trial, we went a distance of 41 feet in 1.5 seconds. Now to find velocity, we use velocity equals distance over time. So we have 41 feet over 1.5 seconds. When we work it out on a calculator, that equals 27.3 feet per second. So 7.3, and then for the second trial we had 39 feet in 1.4 seconds, and using the same formula it was 27.85 feet per second. For the last trial, 44 feet in 1.6 seconds at a speed of 27.5 feet per second. Once you average all those out, you get 41.3, 1.5, and 27.55. So, plugging those into our h of t equation, we get the height after a given time is 0, t time equals 1.5 seconds, our initial velocity is 27.55 feet per second, and our initial height is 4 feet, the height that I shot the airsoft gun from. So, plugging each of those into the h of t equation, we have 0 equals negative 16 times 1.5 squared plus 27.55 times 1.5, and I'm going to move down here, and then it'll just be plus 4. Alright, so going back to our original h of t equation, you have to find the time that the maximum occurs at. Do that using this formula. You take negative b, this number here, so negative 27.55, which is the velocity, over 2 times a, which accounts for gravity, so negative 16. When you work that out, you get 0.86. So that's the time that your maximum height will occur. Moving over. So now you have to plug this number here and for that number to find the maximum height. So have h of 0.86 equals negative 16 times 0.86 squared plus 27.55 times 0.86 plus 4. So then you work that out, you get 11.68 for here plus 23.69 right there plus 4, and then for your maximum height you get 16.01 feet. So with that as one point on your graph of 0.86 and 16.01, find 2 points above it and 2 points below it to complete your graph. So I'm going to pick 0.66, 0.76, 0.96, and 1.06. So plugging each of these numbers back into your original equation, you have negative 16 times 0.66 squared plus 27.55 times 0.66 plus 4. Work that out, you get 15.21. You'll repeat this for every step, and you'll end up with 15.69, 15.7, and 14.95. So, working these out on a graph. So I made my intervals here for time at 0.1 or 0.15 intervals, sorry, and then for height at 0.5 intervals. So mark our points: 0.66 at 15.21, 0.76, 15.69. Our max 0.86 at 16.01. 0.96 at 15.7, and 1.06 at 14.95. And then here's our initial height and our end height. And then just draw a line. Oops, draw the parabola. And there's your final graph.